Hey there, savvy shoppers. If you're looking to earn cashback on your everyday purchases without the hassle of online shopping, Rakuten is your new best friend. Today, we're diving into how to use Rakuten in store to maximize your savings. Let's get started. First off, what's Rakuten? It's a fantastic cashback platform that partners with thousands of stores to give you money back on your buys. The best part? It works for in-store shopping too, not just online. If you haven't signed up yet, head to the Rakuten website or download the app from your phone's app store. It's free and takes just a couple of minutes. Once you're signed up, the key to in-store success is linking your credit or debit card. Open the Rakuten app, go to your account settings, and look for the Link Card option. This is crucial because Rakuten will automatically detect when you shop at participating stores and apply the cashback. Pro tip: make sure to use the card you've linked every time. Next, before you head out, check the app for active deals. Rakuten often has special in-store offers, like extra cashback at places like Walmart or Target. Activate these deals in the app by clicking on them. It's that simple. Now, when you make your purchase in store, Rakuten tracks it through your linked card and credits your account. After your shopping spree, keep an eye on your Rakuten dashboard. Cashback typically appears within a few days and can be paid out via PayPal or check once it reaches a certain amount. Isn't that awesome? You'll be surprised how quickly those rewards add up. One more thing. Always double-check that the store is participating by searching in the app first. And remember, combining Rakuten with store coupons or sales can supercharge your savings. There you have it, folks, an easy way to get paid for shopping in store. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Happy shopping, and see you next time.